G'day mates! The secret to getting the absolute best Aussie meat pie filling is layering the flavour. We need to pack as much savoury, salty goodness into our meat mix as possible. To start off, let's get some seasoning on our beef. I'm using a cracking beef brisket, but you can use any secondary cut like chuck steak or gravy beef. You want a cut that'll break down and get beautifully gelatinous. Toss your beef into some corn flour to keep it nice and dry. Then, into a hot pan with a bit of oil. Make sure you sear it in batches so it doesn't stew. We want a beautiful golden crust on each piece. Look at that lovely golden colour. That is pure flavour, mate. Once it's browned nicely, take the beef out, but whatever you do, do not clean that pan. Keep those crusty bits right there. Add a dash of oil, chuck in your onions with a pinch of salt to sweeten them up, and then your garlic. Now for my secret touch. A star anise, a cinnamon stick, and a bay leaf to beef up the beefiness. To build up that umami character, stir in some tomato paste and dark sweet soy sauce. And a true Aussie secret, a good dollop of BBQ sauce from the pantry. It gives it that brilliant tangy depth. Let's get this stock going. The perfect snack for the footy. A proper Aussie meat pie needs structural integrity. You need a sturdy shortcrust pastry on the bottom to hold the hot filling and a light flaky puff pastry right on top. Fill your pastry-lined tins with that beautiful cooled meat mixture. Lay your puff pastry on top, squish the edges down with your thumbs, press a fork around the rim to seal the deal. Poke a couple of steam holes in the top and brush with egg yolk for that perfect sunshine golden finish. Chill them in the fridge for an hour, then bake for 30 minutes until they're puffy and golden. While these beauties get ready for the oven, do us a massive favour, mates. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. What's the best pie shop in town? What's the best town? I'm always looking for a good road trip. Here's the golden rule. You'd be absolutely mad to eat a meat pie in Australia without a massive dollop of good old Aussie tomato sauce right on top. Don't call it ketchup, mate, it's tomato sauce. Just look at that. Perfect structural integrity, flaky on top, holding all that rich, savoury, melt in your mouth beef inside without falling apart. Sitting right here, it's an absolute masterpiece.